This video explains how to buy shares of ProAssurance Corporation, a specialty medical professional liability insurer. ProAssurance trades on NASDAQ under the ticker PRA, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. You need a broker account to buy shares. I'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you'll verify your account, usually with an ID, and you must add funds before placing a buy order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker PRA to locate ProAssurance. Confirm you select the NASDAQ listing to ensure it is the correct company. Open the asset page to view basic company details and the price chart for PRA. Check the company description and exchange to confirm this is the correct ProAssurance listing. Tap, buy, or trade. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to explore the platform further.